This is pretty cool. This is a Washita, and I have oil stripped it, and lo and behold, I think this one may well be a rosy red that's been liberated from its labels. Someone was very ham-fisted many years ago about securing it to their bench, but I should have a good idea once I give this a test, because those are particularly cutty stones. But I don't know how well it's picking up, but the hue of it's quite different than typical. Nice 8x2 stone. Need to flatten it as well. It's not that far out, fortunately. A little dip. That side's not that bad. Anyway, I also need to test the specific gravity on this, because it was passing the light and it was absolutely filthy, so that'll be interesting to see. Anyway,